Module 10, Lesson 6, Using AI for Link Building or Off-Page SEO. So there's different things you can do, different prompts you can use for link building, which is, I think, the most difficult part of SEO is trying to get links from other websites. So you can use ChatGPT or other AI tools to find relevant websites, find influencers, keywords, online communities, events, podcasts, anything that you want to find for links. So to review link building so that you can use it in your prompts, go to this website, backlinko.com, link building strategies. And it usually updates frequently. This hasn't been updated in a while, but it will update again in a few months. But link building is link building. So you'll see there's over 170 different link building strategies. As mentioned, you can find relevant websites, you can find different podcast events. But if you go through this website, it also gives you like how easy it is from beginner, medium difficulty, and advanced, where it takes more time for link building. So you could go down this list. For example, do a prompt, find alumni list and directories related to my topic or my website, and it'll give you different ones. It'll also give you tips for crafting outreach messages for your emails to reach out to website owners or influencers, but you can use AI to craft these as well. You can try to find blog directories, Chamber of Commerce. So like I said, there's 170 plus link building strategies. So as an activity, I want you to go to this website. You can pause the video or do it after the lesson, but go to backlinko.com, link building strategies, and take a look at all the link building strategies that you have here, which can help you with your prompts. So here are some prompts that you could use for link building. Write a list of initiatives to follow for your backlink strategy to rank for the keyword, and then put your keyword in on the first page of Google. Like I said, you couldn't have ChatGPT write an outreach email for you. For example, reaching out to potential bloggers that might be able to put a link on your website, on their website to your website. So you could put a more specific prompt, like you are an expert SEO content writer who knows how to persuade other sites to agree to add a link to our site or post our content. So I want you to write an email that is personalized to whatever website it is. I'm contacting. Please follow the structure. Start with a warm and friendly greeting. Say that you enjoy the writing of their site. Mention a recent article and why it was good, and put the link there. Explain that work for your site and that we speak to a similar audience. Mention my content that you're trying to link to and why it would be valuable to their audience. Close with a witty conversational statement, letting them know that I look forward to hearing from them. You know, for years, I was doing outreach emails, and it was so time consuming to think of what to write. So ChatGPT and other AI, putting a prompt like this does save a lot of time, especially if you're trying to reach multiple websites all at the same time. You can just do a prompt and it can create personalized emails for each of the websites or influencers you're trying to reach out to. You could use ChatGPT to generate a list of potential topics for a link magnet. So like a prompt would be provide ideas for a link magnet on the whatever specific topic niche. You can also put give me a link magnet ideas for my website in the whatever niche it is. I tend to use just for accuracy because AI is not entirely accurate and you shouldn't rely on it anyway. But you could just try to see um, if it picks up the broken links in your site. And then if you do find broken links, uh, you could try to reclaim those links. You can try to reach out to the website owners that have your links on their website that's broken and reach out to them with a outreach email saying something like, I notice you linked to our website, but the link is broken. Can you replace it with a working link or something like that? Guest posting. If you want to try to guest post on another website, you can create a prompt like write a cold email to reach out to whatever website you are looking to gain a link from for a guest post contribution request and introduce me as a published content marketer in whatever industry and share these links to recent published guest posts on platforms. So this will produce a outreach message for you to try to get guest posting. Reaching out to influencers, there's a few prompts here. So if you want to try to have influencers create backlinks for you, you can create outreach messages like, can you please write a pitch for an influencer that highlights the unique selling point of our whatever product or service and how it can benefit their followers. Reach out to influencers who have large following in whatever niche or audience. Can you help me write a personalized message that will highlight your brand's relevance to their audience and make it clear why it's worth their time to work with me? So these are all outreach emails or messages. If they're influencers or in social media, it might be a direct message instead of email. But these are some prompts that you can use for link building. ChatGPT link building or AI link building, it helps speed up the process. It reduces costs, not just time, but cost. And it helps you generate ideas. Like, for example, when doing an outreach message, instead of trying to think of what to write, it can write that for you. It could also help you create new blog post ideas, find keywords to use, and rewrite sentences for you.